question about okay, so before I started doing Teshuvah, become religious, I used to have unfortunately female friends. That was very like a common thing in the secular world.
Mm-hmm.
So they were like nice people, decent people to me back in the day, and a few years have passed, and of course I don't talk to them anymore, but sometimes they kind of show up and perhaps like send a message or whatever, and of course I don't want to talk to them ever again, of course, but I don't know what would be like the right way to kind of cut communication with these people. So I was wondering if I'm allowed to consider that women, am I allowed to lie to them and tell them like I'm married and that I'm not allowed to talk to them ever again?
No. We're not allowed to lie like this. Yeah, it's Torah says stay away from lies. But sometimes message you can ignore message and see what happens. You understand? So there was so many like I was searching like I don't know just recently like to clean my phone, and I saw many communications that my message was the last message, and whether I send a person material to study, or they ask me a question, I give the answer, and 3 months later there is no hello, no thank you, no you saved my life, no I don't want to talk to you, like zero. Like even though I did something good to that person. You understand? So I guess in the world, like for me, it is shocking. So if somebody did something good to you, even though you don't like it, but I would say thank you, and that's it. At least you asked, you initiated the conversation, you got something back. You don't like it, so you say thank you, and that's it. So sometimes, like I would go to the store and or whatever, I feel like I cannot go like leave the store and not to buy. So I buy something, whatever, just to not to leave empty-handed. Whatever, whatever. I'm trying not to go to the store again, but but in general. You understand? But even if they sell you something that you don't like, and like sometimes the people pressure, so you say thank you, buy, you say thank you, and then never come back. But at least like something. So I saw so many people, or they would reply. The guy I did analysis of, like whatever his life basically, right? It's in I don't know, like very long message, what to do, what not to do, this and that. And he just replied, and he read it right away, and he just replied like today, whatever, with whatever, unrelated to my message, basically. And I just checked, it was two weeks later. Like, so what I'm trying to say, so just ignore it and see what happens. Maybe they're going to leave you alone. Maybe they're going to forget. Because that's how I see, like it's what I'm trying to see with all of this like introduction. There's normal for other people just to ignore your messages. You understand? So let's see what happens. But lie, no, do not lie.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.